Alright guys, on today's video I'm going to show you how to jump start your Ram RHO. First thing you want to do is open your door, and down here under the dash, see this little lever right hood on it? Pull that. And that's going to pop your hood, and then come around here to the front, and there's going to be a secondary latch right here. You just kind of have to push that secondary latch over, and then that'll release the hood here. And then you'll have access to your battery. You got your positive here, this little plastic cover. Just push this tab in and lift that up, and that'll remove your cover, and you can get to the positive connection there, and then your negative would be right here. So we're going to use the NOCO Boost jump box here. Turn that off. Make sure the box is off, and then we're going to connect it. We'll go negative first, and then positive right here. Get a good bite on it. Positive there, negative there, black to black, and red to red. Now, of course. Alright, so got the cover back. Don't drop that down there. And on this NOCO Boost Pro GB150 box, it will read the battery voltage output. You can see 4.9 is not what we want. We need 12 volts, so we'll turn the box on. I just turned the box off because you want me to turn the box back on? You ready?
It's like a security thing.
Yeah, exactly. I didn't want it to keep going off if you weren't ready. All right, turn it back on. Try to start it. The alarm keeps going off. There it goes. Alright, well, there we go. And now the NOCO should test the alternator. We should be at like 13.5 to 14 volts on the alternator on the charging system. And it's kind of low, so that's concerning. It may just be a very low battery. Sometimes it takes a while for this to come up. But you can jump it from another vehicle. It doesn't have to be a jump box. You know, you just put your jumper cables to the other vehicle, red to red and black to black, and kind of the same as this jump box. You can start it the same way. Starting to idle down now. Yeah, it has low voltage output there. Okay, so it's reading 12.9, which would mean it has a bad alternator, a bad charging system, but the lights aren't flickering, so it's kind of weird. Turn the box off, and if the alternator was bad, then the vehicle would start fluctuating and idle and probably die out, and certainly the lights would start to flicker, and they're not. So maybe the box is wrong. Customer's going to take the truck to the dealership and have it looked at. And that's it.